Welcome to the Good Cooking Ideas channel. Today I'm going to introduce an authentic Chinese popular hot dish, Mapo Tofu. Please subscribe and share my video with your friends. I will really appreciate it if you watch through the end and give me a thumb up. Mapo Tofu is a popular Chinese dish originally from Sichuan province. It consists of tofu set in a spicy sauce, typically a thin, oily, and bright red suspension, based on douban jiang and douchi, which are boiled bean paste and fermented black beans. Along with the minced meat, traditionally beef, pork meat works well. The ingredients are here. You may also find it in the description right below the video. I'm going to show you step by step of making Mapo Tofu. $400 grams of tofu cubed into 1.5 centimeters per side. I use the firm tofu. $50 grams of ground pork with 10% of fat. You may use ground beef if you like. 15 grams of ginger. 3 cloves of garlic. 5 grams of fermented black bean, we call it Yongchuan douchi. 20 grams of pickled red chili. 5 grams of green Sichuan peppercorn. Heat a wok. Add dry red chili with peppercorn to the hot oil. Stir fry only 30 seconds. Crush and chop 2 chili flakes. Gram of douchi, the fermented black beans. Heat a pot of water to boil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the tofu, cook 1 minute, then drain off the water. Heat the wok again, add oil, add 10 grams of lard to increase the flavor. Cook the meat with medium heat until dry. Add 1 tablespoon of broad bean paste. Add fermented black beans, ginger, and the red chili. Fry with the medium heat until it turns red color. Add chili flakes. Add water. Season the sauce, adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Darken the sauce with 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Add tofu, cook 3 minutes. Then add wet cornstarch with the heat. Leave the heat. Add a wet cornstarch again. Sprinkle the red chili flakes. Sprinkle the chopped scallions for decoration. Our mapo tofu is perfectly done. I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the notification button to receive more new videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.